In today class, I will discuss about media queries. Okay, the sample website as designed using media queries because whenever the website has designed which will work for all devices without missing any content and styles. Okay, this page as designed for the mobile phones. This page as designed for the tablets. This page is also designed for the desktop. When I resize the window, please observe it very carefully. The content should not miss and the styles are also not missing. Okay, how it will be displayed on the mobiles. Okay, this is will be displayed on the mobiles. When the screen is maximizing, then the content, the style is also to be changed. Okay, this is for the what desktop. Okay, before I'm going to explain you the website, how the website has been designed for the desktop applications and mobile application. First of all, what is media query? I will explain you. Then after that I will discuss about this website design. Then when you come to here to demonstrate on media queries, then simple background color light green has been applied for the page. Then media screen. Okay, when media queries has been applied over here, then media screen, the entire screen, and the condition by what is the mean by media query? The media query is used to apply the CSS code when such condition is met, when certain condition is true, then only it will be affected. Whatever the CSS code has been added, it will be affected. Otherwise, it does not affect to the web page. But here, the background color should be light green. By default, the web page background color is light green. When maximum width of the screen 99 pixel on or whether below or else when the maximum width of the screen should be 990 pixel, the background color should be changed to blue. When condition is met, what is the condition is here? The screen maximum width size is 990 and below, then the background color has been changed to blue. Then here also the condition has applied using the media queries. Then media only screen and maximum width is 600 pixels. Only screen, the maximum width is 600 pixel or below. Then at that time the background color has been changed to red. Please listen carefully. The media screen and condition has been used. The maximum width of the screen is 990 pixel or below. The background color should be blue. Then media only screen and the maximum width of the screen is 600 pixel and below. The background color should be changed to red. Then how it is possible? We will see the output. Then HTML document just H1 something is better than nothing. Then how these styles as applicable to the web page we will see in the output. Yeah. See here, this is once you compile, okay, then once you open the page, by default the background color of the page is light green. When you resize the window, when the size becomes 990 pixels, the color would be changed to blue. Okay, previously what was the output? Light green. When it was changed to 990 pixel, the color should be green. When it is changed to 600 pixel, the color should be green. Because when condition is true, then only the CSS code is applicable. At that time, we will use the media query. Is it clear? When resizing the window, the CSS code is applicable. Yeah, this is desktop. When the size has changed to 990 pixel, the color should be green, blue, sorry. When it has changed to 600 pixel, the color background color should be red. Like that, then we will also design the websites using the media queries. This sample example has been given. Then I will move on to the complex example. Media query. Yeah. Then how the edit page, how the menus will be created, how the footer will be created. we will see in this example. Okay, first I will talk about the HTML document. The class equal header, the h1 align equal to center, the content name is Bandhu Mother profile. Okay, as if you develop any website, you can use your own title of the page. Okay, then what CSS code has been added to this one? Please come to here. I will explain you one by one. Then when you come to the body header, yeah, what is the CSS code has been added? The background color code has been used. Either you go for the color name or color code. Then this is called as white. This color will be, I will see. Then padding of that page should be 15 pixel. Okay, padding should be a 15 pixel. Please, how it is will be displayed as output we will see. Then first you look at the only what is called, this is header. Okay, what is the color of this background of the header is, this is called header. The header name, title of the page is Bandhu Mother profile. Then, but whenever you design, you can give your own name. Okay. Then I move on to the code. Yeah. Then after that, you come to the next. All these are CS. Yeah. The row. Once row has been created, it consists of 12 columns. Then a division class is called column 3. And then what is the menus has been added? Home, about, gallery, and contact. Then how many spaces as occupied by this division? 3 column spaces. Okay, 3 column spaces. Then we will see what is the CSS code has been added. Okay, this is the one of the column. This is the one of the column. This is the one of the column. Whenever row has been created, the row is divided to 3 columns. Okay, this is the one of the column. One column has been used for the menus. The next column is used for the description or menu pages will be displayed over here. The next column will be used for the news. Okay, I will explain you one by one. Okay, then what is the CSS code has been used for the menus? Then when you come to here, menus, yeah, the menu UL. Okay, UL is nothing but the tag. The list style type none. Okay, at that time does not. It is style says not applicable. The margin is 0. The padding will be 0. Then when you come to here, the padding should be 8 pixel. The background color of that menus will be changed to this color code. Then the text color should be white. Okay. And then menu over, the background color whenever the control cursor moves on the menu items, the color will be changed to the pink. Then we will see how it would be changed. Yeah. Then here, this is the menus. Okay, the first column. This is the second column. This is the second column. This is called as the third column. Got it? Okay. The first I written the CSS code for the first column. The menus has been added. Home, about, gallery, contact. Got it? Then I move on to the CSS code. Then what is the next one? What is the next column is here? This is called as the second column. Column 6. It occupies the 6 spaces, 6 column spaces. Then what is the header name? H1 tag home. This is Mother Bandhu having the 13 years of experience in teaching. Okay. And then how it will be displayed? You know that it has been displayed like this. Okay. The second column information has been displayed. This is the third column. Whenever the third column has been given, then how it will be displayed, we will see. What is the news? Okay, if you want to write down the whatever the updated news is there, you can update over here. The qualified, the list of the news has been written over here. Then how it will be displayed? Then we will see then it will be displayed at the right, and it will be displayed at the last column of the row. Okay, this is only one row as divided into three columns. Then we will see how the CSS code will has been written. Then menu, when you come to the side, this is called as the what is called, then we will see this one, division class equal to a side. What is the code I have written over here? Then please see, the background color should be, color code has been used. The padding should be 15 pixel. The color of the text is white. The text align should be center. The font size should be 14 pixel. Okay, if you want to change, you can change it. Got it? Yeah. And then that is code for the news. Then when you come to the footer, the division, the last, this is another division. The division class equal to footer. Then style equal font size 20 pixel. The copyright reserved Bandhu mother only. Then what is the CSS code has been written? We will see the footer background color something, the color, you know that, the text island center and font size. Then finally you come to the media queries. Then how it will be designed, how what is the CSS code has been written for the media queries. Okay, this code will work for the mobiles. Then class star, because any class, the star means the class 1, class 2, class 3, class 4, class 5, whatever. Okay, then column 1, column 2, column 3, column, it is applicable for the all the column sizes. It is for the mobile phones. The width size is 100. Okay, this code will work for the mobiles. Then when you come to here, the media only screen and minimum width should be 600 pixel. When the minimum width of the screen is 600 pixel, at that time this code will work for the tablet size. Then column S1 small devices, then S1, S2, S3, because each and every column size should be 100 pixel. Got it? Then width size should be increased to 8.33. Then each check it once. Whenever the column size has increased, the width size also be increased. Okay, because in how many columns are there in each row? There are 12 columns are there in each row. Please remember it. Okay, whatever the code you written here, it will work for the what is called tablets. Then this is code has been written for the desktop. Then here the column 1, because here column S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, like that I written the column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4. Okay, this code will work for the tablet. This code will work for the what is called desktop devices. Okay, here whenever using the media queries, whenever the web page has been designed using the media query, which will work for any type of the devices, either for desktop or mobile. Most of the uh, students or faculty will use either mobile or else desktop. Okay, this page has been designed for the desktop, mobile and tablet also. Please, once you check it here, here we can design any type of the web page using the media queries. It is very responsive, which will work for any type of the devices. Is here whenever the resize the window, sir, browser, then though content will be missed. The content does not missing, and also styles are also not missing in the web page. That's the thing you should remember. Okay, here most of the websites has been designed using the media queries. Okay, which will work for any type of the devices. If you have any doubt regarding the example, please connect me through comment box window. Thank you, Mandal, for watching my videos.